Okay, and we're back. We are back for the giveaway portion of our last two breaks. Just finished our 5-star, got some cool stuff there. And now we're going to give away these cards, these couple of blasters, a sterling pack, and $40 worth of break credit. Didn't go black, just no sound. Oh, that's cool. Whatever. Just start a new video anyway. Odell could go for 1,200. No, this is this giveaway is for everyone who got into either break, who got a full spot in either break. These last two I've had. So if you got into both a full spot in both of them, you have 2 entries. I'll pull up the 1 second, and I'll pull up the thingy. You can see all the hits there. Here's Odell. Was that first hit out of the box, 4 out of 5 auto. Dree Archer. And then Jordan Matthews and the rest. Teddy, Eddie Lacy, and then the Marquise Lee. Yeah, you missed the monster first hit there. 1 second, guys. I'll pull up my Excel for the giveaway here. 1 second. Do some random action. Yeah, it's nice, Odell. Pull up some random site stuff here. Okay. So this is the list of people that are in the giveaway in order, and then as you see the prizes there to the side. So Sterling Pack, Break Credit, CJ Spiller, National Treasures Auto, Blaster Pack, 10 credit, Trey Wayne's Auto, Blaster, 10 credit, that Walker Patch, and 10 more credit. So scoop this list out of here. We'll randomize that 7 times. Oh, gotta edit it. 1 second. Edit. So this is everyone who's been in either of the breaks. You can be at 2 entries potentially there if you're in both of them with full spots. So there's everyone in there. Randomize that 7 times, and then we'll go back and paste that in, and it'll line up the prizes. You see there's a bunch of prizes there over to the right. Thank you all so much for filling in the breaks. Appreciate it. I know it took a little while. Appreciate the patience. Yeah, cool prizes for you guys to win here. So 7 times. Best of luck, guys. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's just for everyone who got any full spots in either break. So you got 2 spots in here. People who got into both breaks got 2 spots. 5, 6. Here's the last one. 7. So we'll grab this list here and see what it matches up with on the giveaway sheet. There we go. So Jeff Henzelka's got the Sterling Pack. Mark McClure, $10 break credit. Harold Pierce, CJ Speller, National Treasures Auto. Roger gets that Prism Baseball Blaster, one of them. Adam Rochelle, 10 credit. Logan gets a Trey Wayne's Bowman Auto. JP, the Blaster. Jeremy Bauman, $10 break credit. Jimmy Foley, Walker, Walking Dead wardrobe card. And Roger Barbrek, $10 break credit. Yeah, Logan got some good mojo on these last randoms for sure. So I'll post this in the thread along with the video. I'll post a separate thread for just the giveaway and post a video with it in this. So those are your winners. I'm going to open up our Sterling pack and our Prism stuff right now, and then we'll ship that out to you guys. That is in the books. Get this random closed up. Okay, let me just write names on the blasters. Sterling is Jeff. Oh, I print this out, but blasters are Roger. Roger got 10 break credit and a blaster. Nice, congrats, Roger. JP got a blaster. Roger, JP. Okay, open these up. We got that saved. We're good. Okay, open up these little blasters. Let's open up the Sterling first and we'll check out what's in the blasters. This one's for Jeff Hanzelka. 2013 Sterling pack, so there's 2 hits in there, auto and a patch. See if we get something cool out of here. Good luck to Jeff. No base on bottom. EJ Manuel, different era here. Vance McDonald. Tyler Bray, 5 out of 25 refractor. And his auto hit. Kenny Stills. Oh, maybe just relic card. I think the relics are first actually in these this year. Yep, relics are first. So let's see what his auto is. Marcus Wheaton, nice. Nice Marcus Wheaton auto there for you, Jeff. Nice looking Bowman there. And then see your relic card. Just a standard relic for Kenny Stills out of 1,214. Yeah, not bad. Marcus Wheaton, he's the number 2 right now. Let's get these sleeved. And we'll just open these blasters up. I'll ship those cards out to you guys. Sleeved. For Jeff. Okay. These base cards. Okay, congrats to Jeff. Nice little box or pack there. And this one's for JP, this blaster. Maybe you get something cool in here, who knows? That Walking Dead card, sweet. I'm sure you'll be able to find someone to trade something with that for if you're not into those cards. Tom Kohler, AJ Ramos, Bryce Harper, Dexter Fowler. This is JP's blaster. Rogers, yours is next. Whoa. Justin Upton green refractor. No number. Scherzer, Pedro, Chad Jenkins. That's a pretty good show. I like it. Once you get into it, it's pretty addictive. I mean, it's hard to stop watching. Ellsbury, Profar rookie. Nice Jeter insert. Linscomb. Bo. Beltran. Bundy, Dylan Bundy, Austin Jackson. Alonzo. Jake Elmore, rookie. Molina, insert. Gio Gonzalez. Yeah. Once you start pulling the autos of the guys you like, then it's cool. It's a lot like football collecting. And the autos are really limited, so that's why I like them. Waiters, Gonzalez, Kawasaki, rookie, Josh Reddick. Here's your last pack, and there's the red prisms. We'll open that in a second. That's in the blaster as well. Nate Freeman, rookie Peguero. Hyunjin Ryu, that's a pretty good rookie. Nice. Rookie insert card. Johnny Cueto. There's no autos probably. Let's see what's in your red. You got Matt Cain in your red pack. Target exclusive red packs. Matt Cain. Jimmy Rollins. Ken Griffey Jr. See if those aren't like numbered or anything. Nope. Retail, so. There you go, JP. There's your blaster. Let me put that in your box. These in your box for you. Right, JP on there. Okay, Roger, here's yours. Here's your red pack. Leave that to the side. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can get anything cool. Nice to see like an auto or something, or some other cool rookies. The Hyunjin Ryu, I think that's probably a pretty good rookie card. Peguero, rookie. Chris Davis, rookie. Got a green Jake Odorizzi, Tampa Bay. No number or anything on it. Nice looking card. Scherzer. Mattingly. Giovanni Gallardo. Carlos Martinez. Inscom. Tony Gwynn. Kyle Gibson, rookie. Pedroia. This is under, I think, under 17 style insert. Austin Jackson. Chapman. Pete Rose. Nick Marone. Morande. Rookie. Gio Gonzalez. Colin McHugh, rookie. Avisail Garcia, rookie. Beltre, insert. Josh Reddick. Next pack. Panda, Sandoval. Yogi Berra. Miguel Sano. Top prospects insert. It's probably a rookie card if it says prospects, I'd imagine. Johnny Cueto. Last pack here, Roger, and then you get your little red pack as well. Josh Willingham. Justin Grimm, rookie. Saleh. Versale. Chris Sale. Green. No number. And then Matt Holliday. Let's see what's in your red. You got Beltre up front. was hoping we get at least one auto out of one of those blasters. I always get autos out of the retail boxes, out of 24 retail pack boxes. Always get at least one auto. Beltray, Alan Craig, Jason Mott, red. So there you go, Roger. Get yours in your box. Mark that down. Yeah. Sale. I've heard it said both ways, so I never know, and I don't watch baseball enough to really know or care. Yeah, Roger. Scribble, scribble. Okay, so that's all she wrote. Let me just give you a little recap on the prizes here. Actually, I don't have it open. Oops. Well, you see it. I'll post a picture along with the video. Yeah, thanks again for joining, everyone. Appreciate it. I know it took a little while to fill. Thank you very much for your patience. Got some nice hits. We're rewarded with some good hits there, so that's cool. Stay tuned. Maybe do some Spectra coming up. New Spectra or something. I won't be around in about a week and a half, 19th through the 25th. I'm going on a week-long backpacking trip here in Vermont. Nice, yeah, Logan seems like a cool guy. Thanks for turning him on to my page. Seems like a good guy, good cat. Yeah, I got my show this weekend, and then a week and a half from now I won't be in town, but we'll try to get another break in during next week. Some new Spectra, probably. That's what I like. Donish as shit. Yeah, I ordered a box for selling packs at my show. See what it's like. I'll probably open some for myself. Alright guys, good breaking with you. Congrats on all the awesome cards there that we pulled and the winners for the prizes and stuff. Appreciate you guys joining in. Have a good rest of the night. I gotta go do my fantasy draft here in about an hour and a half, or 2 hours actually. Yeah, Logan got some nice hits. 3 damn hits. Alright guys, take it easy. Have a good night.